starting like implementation project. This implementation project, as we can start standalone project as well as upgradation project. Upgradation project has nothing but here the integration between ECC and CRM.
Yeah.
The ECC and CRM, like if already, as we discussed, Apple is our client, is already implemented ECC, now they are going for CRM. So when they are going for CRM, nothing to start up from the scratch level. That means the base customization part. So you no need to start up all the customization from the starting level. Just you can go to the go live phase, like last phase. You can download whatever the customer data, as you call that customer data. We call as business partners data. So terminology is different, but the concept is same. So we download all the data from through middleware. Here the concept comes in between ECC to CRM. Here middleware, CRM, SAP to SAP. The adapters, here the adapters are located on CRM. Through CRM adapters and ECC R3 adapters are there. So BW adapters and SCM adapters, like different adapters, are integrated by middleware consultant. This middleware consultant, because exclusive consultant will be available in real-time environment, but even though if you are keeping 4 to 5 years experience, at least you should have an idea about if you are working 2 to 3 objects like projects. So what data you are, because 80 to 90% of the projects is integrated with ECC, because one server single module will not work out for the client. At least ECC CRM with BW and CCC CRM BW, likewise all integrated servers will be always sold by the SAP to the client, isn't it? So that is the reason. But even though we discuss about the standalone project initially, later we move on to the upgradation, like what we need to download from CRM, ECC SD module to CRM, HR module to CRM, MM module to CRM, CS module to CRM. So how the connections will be integrated, what are the objects, what are the loads, everything we will discuss regarding this topic, like middleware concept. So initially we start at the basic level, we will go slowly and pick up the more customizations, because you are not a fresher, guys. So I hope you can follow very quickly the concepts. So as you know very well, there are data. We can follow in our implementation, we have data. Those data is nothing but two types of data. One is master data and another data is like transaction data.
Correct.
As the master data is nothing but universal data. This universal data is nothing but wherever if required in your total throughout your implementation, wherever if you required, you can use this data, right? And moreover, which we can't change frequently, right? This data. So that is the data. It's called as master data. Transaction data, as the client, your client is Apple, so Apple always interacting with their customers. So the interaction from day to day, the data will changes. Those data is nothing but a transaction data. So this is how we can differentiate the data. So let's see our base customization. In that master data, we have few topics. What are the master data which we will keep on not change, which we can use throughout our implementation? Like first is organization management. As you know very well, even SD is there, HR is there, FI is there. Everywhere you need to start up your organization management, isn't it?
That's right. Yeah. That's right.
Then territory management. Then later business partners. And fourth, product. and we have subtopic like product catalog that will come on web channel. So let's see that topic, we'll see it here. So as you know, organization management, here you need to concentrate here when you are implementing or customizing your client organization management. You need to look after these functionalities: marketing, sales, and service. So when you are defining your client organizational model, here we call as organization model, or in general terminology hierarchy or structure, anything. But the tool where we customize of our client organization management is organization model. And moreover, being if CRM is integrated with ECC, ECC is having SD module, right? In SD module, we have organization management. Organization, what do you call? Organization structure, right?
That's correct.
In SD environment. So, this organization belongs to only sales. This sales organization you can download to CRM sales. You can download to CRM sales. So the other marketing related and service related you can download, like plant and machinery is also one module is there, right, in ECC. So you can download that organization structure to service. It will also helpful for any maintenance for your client, because service is nothing but maintenance and any giving issues regarding service order, service quotation, service contracts as per the SLAs. So those things we'll see in our service topics. So this is the way, just I am giving the scenario, like if ECC environment is there in your implementation, then you can download the sales structure of SD module to CRM sales, and service you can download from plant and machinery organization structure to CRM service. But there is no pre-sales activities in ECC, so you need to customize in CRM itself. Or else, if you are going to define a customized standalone project which is not surrounded by in your implementation any SAP ECC environment, so then you need to customize. As we all know, we undergo the workshops, client implementation workshops. So here we gather the requirement. So we gather the requirement of our client organization structures. So as the company, if I want to compare with SD, there it's like a matrix environment in SD. Here you can predefine before coming, like forecasted organization units also you can define today itself. Like after 1 year or after 6 months, after 2 months, so and so location, some branch organization unit is opening, so you can keep here in your organization model, you can define before itself, because this CRM is time dependent organization model. So here the concept is not company code or anything, here directly comes with a root organization. Suppose which implementation we can do? We can do Apple, is it okay, or Tata or Nokia, any other BMW?
Anything that can be, we can easily grasp.
Yeah, great. So suppose think that Apple, so you are defining like root organization unit. Here there is no company code, directly we call as root organization unit. So just think here, in the Apple we can know that where their organizations like environment, business process are going, like Apple Asia as a geographical I am considering, under down the subordinate, under beneath of the root we are defining Apple Asia, Apple Europe, Apple UK, Apple Middle East, sorry, Apple Africa. So these are all nothing but geographical locations where your client organizations are or business units are performing. So if you define like in Asia project, then we can customize like Apple India, Apple China, Apple Singapore, Apple Malaysia, Apple Pakistan, Apple Bangladesh. So let's see
What are
India.
these? What are these?
Apple,
See, you have Apple Root Organization Unit, and then you have
these are all our client organization.
all these. Asia.
Beneath I am defining the subordinate organization.
Okay. Okay.
See, this is also organization unit. So let's it's difficult to understand, nothing, right?
No, it's okay. So here you have sub-organizational unit, the one that you have Apple
Yeah.
India, Apple China, and all that. This facility we
Yeah,
don't
I am
have
looking only
ECC we
sorry,
don't have.
I didn't get you.
ECC we don't have this facility, right? Sub-org unit. We can have
Yeah,
hierarchies.
that's what. Yeah, there is matrix environment. Your ECC environment is matrix environment. Here, this is not a matrix environment. Like we can predefine, you can define as number of as subordinates. It's not in a restricted like you need to go only 2 levels or 3 levels or 4 levels. It is like user friendly. You can say as many as subordinate under beneath you can find.
And all these will be business partners only, no?
Yeah, obviously.
CRM.
Yeah, in CRM, anything is a business partner. Just because it's considered as a terminology, like everything will consider as a business partner. And moreover, and I need to tell that to define this automation model, as I told you, tool, even in interviews, which tool you will define your client automation management is nothing but organization model is the tool where you can define like create org model or change edit in the matter of edit or this thing. So here this is the tool where you can create or any edit or change you want to do, you can do. To go these locations you have navigation path as well as T codes. So let's see the T codes here. PPO CA underscore CRM is the T code for create. PPO MA underscore CRM is the modification. Okay. In this automation model you have SAP given 4 objects to define automation model. Standard, this we can't change. SAP given standard 4 objects. Using these 4 objects, we can call objects as well as elements also, don't confuse if anyone call as elements or anything. So using the standard SAP given standard 4 objects, using these 4 objects you can define your client automation model.
Okay.
So that's what I am defining your 4 objects. One is organization unit, second position, third
Employee.
employee,
Yeah.
fourth one is user. Okay, and as a CRM functional consultant we have authority to create these 2 objects, the top 2 objects. This is We can employee details we can download from the chart, and this is done by basis consultant. Yeah, you are aware about that, right?
Okay.
So this is the concept of organization model. If you are first topic of our master data, we are defining your client organization model. SAP given 4 objects. The tool where we define is organization model tool. Here the T codes where you can go into the system, where you can create and change. As a CRM functional consultant, we have only 2 objects to create. This data you have right only to assign. Get the data and assign to the positions, not to creating of employee or user details.
Okay.
Okay? Imran, are you following? Any doubt?
Yeah.
Khan,
Okay.
Motion, are you alright?
Motion is mute. Yeah.
Yeah, because she's no issues.
Okay.
So this is the reason I am defining Imran, like I took a root, I took their subordinate organization unit, and I took for India project in Asia, I took just Asia. In this Asia, I am considering as these are all the different business organization units. And even in India, if you are doing for Indian project, then you can consider as Apple,
Bangalore,
Karnataka, as a state level. No, as a state level, I am considering as state level, Tamil Nadu, Apple Andhra Pradesh, Apple Kerala. This is the way you can keep on down the territories. Then Apple Bangalore, and Apple what is there? Ballari, yeah, Mysore, Ballari. And if you take Andhra Pradesh, Apple Hyderabad, and Apple Vizag.
Okay.
So this is the way
So you
you
can
can the
bottom down.
subordinate organizations. Yeah. So as many as, see, SAP given the standard object. This object is helping you to define your client organization units as from the root level to the subordinate level. Under these organizations, again, you have any organization what we can find. See, Bangalore is there. Bangalore, as I discussed, if you are defining your organization unit, you only look after these departments. So, whether your client Bangalore organization, this is your client Apple Bangalore's organization unit, is having marketing, sales, or service, whether he is having these functionalities are there. If he is there, then you can define as Apple marketing org unit, and for Bangalore purpose, Apple sales org unit and Apple service org unit. Okay guys, so this is the way you can go deeper like marketing. Then in this marketing, any organization what we can say in Bangalore, who is the marketing manager, who is the advertisement manager, who is the promotion manager. This is the things is there in our client organization units, right?
Yeah.
These are nothing but positions. So this is the way we will define. So it's 7:03, my other student might be waiting. Let's see tomorrow. Sorry for that. Try to connect at least even like
I'll
6, 5, even
I'll connect.
give a grace to me. Yeah, people might be connect very quickly. Give a grace time for me 5 to 7 minutes.
No problem. Sorry about today, yeah? Because I thought I just
Yeah, no issues, man.
what we'll do is another thing is, see, if you're going 1 hour per day, don't you think it's going to take a long time and those sessions?
Yeah, then we need to plan weekends, mate. Then we need to plan for weekends.
Okay.
So that is the other alternative.
So this class what we're doing now, what do you say? Is in between, is it? Or you're just starting?
Which one?
The one.
Yeah, is it in sales? Is it in sales?
Okay. So they've finished base customizing.
Yeah, they finished customization, they finished marketing, now they are moved to sales.
Okay. All right, Raj. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'll try to connect early. Yeah.
Yeah, you please confirm with the team of SAPH, then we can continue our sessions as per our schedule.
No problem. Let's,
Okay, if any changes, please mail me.
yeah.
Even if I am free anytime, I'll mail you. We coordinately will complete our sessions. It's nothing like any, because as we are all professionals, so we know our pressures in our office. So please try to understand and coordinately we can go ahead to complete our sessions. I'll help you not for this training. In future also we'll be together.
Right.
Hope, if God admits, inshallah.
Yes. All right, Raj. Yeah. I think you're late now.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah. Thanks.
Yes, I'm connecting that meeting. Take care. Bye.